While working on your feasibility study, you'll need to learn more about your target market for your product or service. Today, we'll be using Mergent Intellect's demographics tool, which is useful for understanding regional markets, including income distribution, age and population density, and more. Mergent uses U.S. Census data organized into digestible reports. Since this resource is searchable by zip code, it helps to know which zip code or codes you'll be searching with. For a quick tutorial on using the Reference Solutions database to discover zip codes that might have the highest concentration of potential customers, check out our video, Finding Target Markets, by clicking the link in the description box below. Or explore this resource as you see fit by experimenting with different zip codes to learn more about different communities. To begin, you'll need to open a web browser and go to the library website, library.cscc.edu. Next, click on the Books and Articles option in the navigation bar at the top left of the page. In the drop-down menu, click on the option for databases. Once you're here, you can find Mergent Intellect alphabetically under the letter M. Scroll down the page to find and click the link. If you're off campus, you'll now be asked to log in using your Columbus State username and password. From the Mergent homepage, we'll scroll down until we see the link for demographics and click it. Now we can search by county, zip code, or city. Today we'll be searching by zip code, so we'll click the zip code box. Now we can enter up to 4 different zip codes to compare. To keep it simple, we'll only search one zip code in this video. Let's say we want to start our own travel agency. We'll use a zip code retrieved from Reference Solutions, whose population includes the highest number of people in the greater Columbus area with both an interest in travel and a household income between $70,000 and $200,000, because we want to learn more about this group of people as a potential market base for our business. Let's plug that 5-digit number into the first search box. Now let's click the Compare Zip Codes button. Our search results show a collection of reports we're able to select and send to our email. You can choose to receive PDF files or spreadsheets. Since we're working with a smaller set of data, we'll use PDF. Please note, you can only select 3 reports at a time. Once you receive those reports in your email, you can request more. For a narrative review of the zip code population, try the Executive Summary. For purely charts and graphs data, try the Demographic Snapshot. Select Effective Buying Income if you want to see the actual purchasing power of households in your zip code. We'll pick those 3 now, but be sure to check out other reports as desired. Now we must enter the CAPTCHA and our email address. These CAPTCHAs can be tricky, so take your time. Let's click Build Files to send the reports to our email. Now we'll wait to receive them. Here is the email from Mergent containing our requested reports. Click the links inside the email to access each report. Here's our demographic snapshot. Be sure to download it because report links are only active for 1 week. Now let's skim our report and see what it looks like. This one includes population numbers and growth estimates, data about race, language, age, sex, education, income, employment, and more. You'll want to check out different Mergent reports depending on what kind of data you're seeking. Remember that business research is dynamic, and you may discover additional resources that better suit your market research needs. Thank you for watching. Find more research help from us at library.cscc.edu.